Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Receipt Book, updated. Start by writing the date, amount, payer, and purpose on the top copy, using legible handwriting and a ballpoint pen for permanence. Number each receipt and cross-reference with your cash log or spreadsheet. Hand the duplicate to the customer immediately and staple any supporting notes. Store the original in a filed sequence and reconcile weekly to avoid missing entries. When filling out a receipt, start with your printed business name and contact details, then record the transaction date and exact amount received. Note the payment method and include an invoice number or brief description of services or goods. Sign or initial where required and give the customer their copy immediately. Maintain sequence integrity and avoid erasures to keep records audit-ready and trustworthy for both parties involved. Organize receipts by month and maintain a simple index to speed up searches when needed. Scan each owner copy and store the PDFs in a dated folder for backup and easy retrieval during tax time. Reconcile receipts with your deposit slips and accounting software every week to catch errors early. Keep retired receipt books in a secure, labeled box and follow your record retention policy so you never lose critical paperwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.